What's up, guys? And today we're going to be getting a collection. Needle. That's not how you spell needle, bro. Spell it Needoh. No. But let's just see what's in my needle box. What did I get? The red cube. I'll take it. So cool. But, this one. Oh, there. Stay away. It's my needle, not yours. Open it. Yes. New one. Oh, yes. Alright. I want to see them all combined. Yeah. Give me the money. I want this, and I want this, and I want this. Emerald, gold. This one. Get this one. Open this one. Open this one. Yes. Take this. Give me my money. Check my index. Oh. QA. Bro, take some desserts. Give me this. Alright. Got this. And I got this. And I'm getting money. We have a lot of money now. Let's see what else is. No. Cheese box 6K. We can afford it. 1 minute. Okay. For now, let's just get more money. More money. And after this one spawns, the video is end. Yes. 5 million. 5 million. Get rid of this. Give me this. Give me all the money. 3, 2, 1. So what we get? Yes. So now on our new page, it makes us 127 seconds. Oh my god, that's a lot of money. But